Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are at, okay, the logo's on that side, but we are at Kodiwari, Kodiwari Collective, their open house, and yeah, we got the Z here. It's shining better than ever. As you can see, the wheels actually look golden or bronze. And shout out to Obsidian Auto Spa for detailing the Z. We have a big week. Of course, we have Kodiwari, Cars and Boba on Friday, and then Sunday we have a Nissan meet. So the car is nice and shiny for that packed weekend. There's only 3 events that I'm going to, but I mean, it is a pretty packed weekend. And yeah, we got this spot right here next to the fence. The Z looks really low, barely off the ground there. And yeah, we got a few other cool cars. You have this Elantra N, this really nice Z4, which I see all the time at Cars and Coffee, and Cars and Boba. You have this Mazda 3, WRX STI hatch. If you remember, my buddy used to have one of these. Not an STI, but he used to have the Impreza hatch. And you got this Mazda RX-7 right here. Now there are more cars on that side. We're just on this side, that's why I'd show it. There's an MR2 in there, but that's in their workshop, so I'm not going in there. And I already have a favorite at the car meet. Yes, I already picked out a favorite without walking around. Here's the beautiful NSX that you see. And if you know anything about colors, you probably know which one I'm looking at. Or what? Anything about... Sorry, if you know anything about me, you probably know what car I'm already looking at. We'll look at the NSX first. Really nice EG Civic. Pulsar. And no, it's not the Pulsar. A Renault Clio. Peugeot. Well, check out my favorite last, but got a few cars you see all the time. The Supra right there is really nice S2000. Or you got Omar, Dat Works, or I can't remember what his thing is. I think it is Dat Works now. And yeah, he has the Mini Supra spoiler now. This is a new addition on the car. I'm gonna try to talk to him if I can, but. And this side here, another Supra, CRV. A few cool cars here. This is pretty cool. Mercedes AMG. I think this is a A45. Sorry. A35. These are pretty cool. I haven't seen one of these in person, even though these are not necessarily new. Alright, so we do have a little bit of rain, but yeah. There's my favorite car from the show. It'd be disrespectful to walk up and record it while the owner's standing there, but really cool Integra right here. Nice wheels, really clean. It's awesome. Huh. Now this is pretty cool too, the FD2 conversion on the front end here, on the Acura, or converted Honda. And yeah, let's see what else I can find. These cars have been here for ages. There was a Fiesta that just rolled in. Really cool. One of my buddies, he also has a Fiesta. He's from the States, but he has a white Fiesta. So I got a new growing appreciation for these. There's that car I was talking about, the coolest, or my favorite car from the meet, the Volvo V60. I think we saw this one at Haggerty, a hatchback, beautiful blue. I do prefer the newer one, which is the T8, but man, I love these things. These are beautiful cars. Paint or the matching mud guards. Can't remember the last time I saw it. I don't think I've ever seen one of these besides this specific one.
That wasn't like rusty and stuff. So I know corrosion's really wrong.
Red FN2 on TE37s. Pretty nice R35 GTR.
I thought it had the same.
Yeah. Almost.
It got slightly different wheels.
Pretty good body kit, nice wheels. Carbon trunk.
I like the white one better.
White
It's
one?
just more.
Yeah.
It's just more classy.
I do agree. But you can't go wrong with the track. Right guys, so we're back from Kodiwari, and I did get something last week at Cars and Boba. I didn't record last week, but I got this right here, the Hot Wheels Trino Talladega, which is kind of NASCAR based. I mean, it's very NASCAR kind of. My buddy, he got me the Gallardo and the Mustang from the set. But I just want to add this to my slowly growing NASCAR collection right here. And yeah, thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.